Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate QuickBooks Online with Shopify for daily reconciliation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate QuickBooks Online with Shopify for daily reconciliation, begin by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Once logged in, navigate to the left sidebar and select the Apps option. In the Apps screen, click on the Find Apps search bar. Type Shopify into the search bar and press Enter to search. From the list of apps, locate the QuickBooks Online app for Shopify. Click on the app to access more details about its features and benefits. Next, select the Get App Now button to begin the installation process. You will be prompted to sign in to your Shopify account. Enter your Shopify store credentials and authorize the connection. After authorization, return to QuickBooks Online. In QuickBooks, follow the on-screen instructions to sync your Shopify data. Choose the settings for how you want transactions to be categorized in QuickBooks. Confirm the mapping of your Shopify income accounts with those in QuickBooks. Once the mapping is complete, initiate the sync by clicking on the Save button. After syncing, you will be directed to the dashboard where you can see daily sales data from Shopify. To set up daily reconciliation, go to the Banking tab in QuickBooks. Connect your bank account to QuickBooks if you haven't already done so. On the banking screen, look for transactions that have synced from Shopify. Review these transactions and match them with your bank statement entries. Ensure accuracy by confirming that all amounts and details align perfectly. Schedule a daily reminder for yourself to perform this reconciliation routine. As you complete daily reconciliations, QuickBooks will keep your financial data up to date. This integration simplifies your bookkeeping process significantly. You are now ready to manage your Shopify sales efficiently through QuickBooks Online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.